This video is going to show you how to record a video using the Smart Recorder, which is located in your Smart Notebook software. Now, the times that I use this the most is when I want to record a video in my classroom using my smartboard. You can also use it in some other situations, and I'll kind of show you how to do that at the end of the video. The first thing you're going to want to do is open up your Smart Notebook software, and you're going to want to look at your toolbar. Now, what you're looking for is this Smart Recorder icon, and it looks like a little camcorder. As you can see, this is located on my screen. If you don't have that icon on your toolbar, you'll want to customize your toolbar to put it there. In order to do that, you're going to choose the View menu at the top of your screen, and you'll select the last option, Customize Toolbar. If you scroll down through the actions, you'll see the Smart Recorder icon, and you'll go ahead and drag that icon right up onto your toolbar and let go, and then it'll be there. Now, when you select this icon, you can see that you'll get a few different buttons. The important one would obviously be the record button. This is the button you'll press in order to start recording. Now, if you choose the arrow next to it, you're going to have two different options. The first option will be the default to record the entire desktop. If you're going to be recording PowerPoint or your Elmo software or any other software besides Smart Notebook, it's important to choose the entire desktop. If all you're going to be recording is your slides in Notebook, then I actually recommend to choose Record Area. When you choose Record Area, as I'll do in a moment, you'll be asked to draw a rectangle around the area you want to record. The nice thing about this is then you can cut out your toolbar, and so students can really just focus on the slides themselves. So now we're going to show an option on how to record a video with a file that's already been created in Smart Notebook. I would go ahead and open up my file. I would click on my Smart Recorder icon, and in this case I'm going to record just an area. Now I'm going to go ahead and draw with my mouse a rectangle around the area I would like to record. And be careful, because as soon as you let go of the mouse, then you're going to start recording. Right now I will be recording my video. I would actually walk up to my smartboard and start working out this question, so I would begin writing and explaining as I go through it on what I'm doing. And so then I would just finish off the example, and I would continue on to the next examples from there. Now, one thing to keep in mind, oftentimes I've had somebody come to my door when I'm in the middle of recording. You do have a pause option here, so you could pause your recording and then come back to it. You also have the option then when you're finished to press stop. Once you've stopped, you're going to be asked to save your video. This is the time also you could cancel if you didn't like your video. I'm going to save it just to my desktop. I can move it later. And then once it's been saved, you have the option to either play it if you'd like to review it, or you can just press OK and be done. Now, you'll notice that it's being saved as a .movie file, and if you play it, it's going to open up in QuickTime Player. And when I press play, you can see that everything I was saying and writing are going to show up. Right now I will be recording my video. I would actually walk up to my smartboard and start working out this question, so I would begin writing and explaining as I go through it on what I'm doing. That's the basics for recording the video. Now, I did say that you could record it with other programs. If you were going to be working in other programs besides Smart Notebook, for example, PowerPoint. If you wanted to record a video with using PowerPoint and the Smart Recorder, you'd once again open up Smart Notebook, choose your Smart Recorder icon, and then I'm just going to minimize Notebook, and you can see that I have a PowerPoint open here. This is the time where recording the entire area could be important to you. I'm going to go ahead and start my recording. So I'm going to start my recording the same way. You can see that my floating toolbar is still here. So I'm going to record the desktop. My recording has started, and then I'll play my PowerPoint, and then I can begin working through PowerPoint as I normally would. So you can see that the Smart Recorder will work with any program that you want to record, not just Smart Notebook. Once you're done with these recordings and you've saved them as movie files, you could then upload them to your YouTube channel.